What's going on, everyone? ggkickzz here, back with another video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Air Jordan 1 Bred Mid. We're also going to be discussing it, whether it should be accepted in the sneaker community or not. So let's just start with the acceptance part. Wear whatever you guys like. If you guys think this shoe is dope, which I know a lot of you do, even for my sneakerhead friends out there, I know you guys like these. You guys say you don't, but what is there not to like? It literally looks like an Air Jordan 1. It looks the same as the height. It's just the height, like the ankle difference, like that really does it for you. Like on feet, can you really tell if you have some long pants on, some jeans on, some cart, like are you actually going to be able to tell? Or is it just because it's not the high, because it doesn't go for $700, you don't like it? Is that the reason why? Because these, like, come on, like to the naked eye, to the people who really don't know much about sneakers, like these are fire. Like you can't lie, it's black and red with a white midsole, red outsole. You cannot go wrong with that. Like you can wear this with a lot of stuff. So let's check off another point that sneakerheads be using to disqualify this sneaker as a good sneaker. The quality used on this is not the same as an Air Jordan 1, as a regular Air Jordan 1 would be, especially on a Bred. That quality is a lot more refined than this, but this is an actual step up of the Jordan Mid. So I guess the Jordan brand and Nike have been hearing a lot of the complaints, because these retail for $115, so you can't expect them to use the same material that they use because profit margins and all that. So they use less quality material. But on this specific colorway, on this Air Jordan 1 Bred, this is the only one I'm talking about. On this Air Jordan 1 Mid Bred, the quality is a lot better than the previous that I've seen. Like you guys can see, I'll show you guys a close-up on it when we get back there, but you guys are going to be able to see the quality of this leather, of this red and black shoe. So you guys let me know in the comment section down below if you guys think that this is a dope shoe. Scratch it, be in a mid, be in a high, be in a low top. I have the low top to my right. A lot of people don't like those either. So I actually did a poll on my Instagram. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. Not only will you get high crispy quality pictures, you would also be able to take a part in my polls. I do Instagram polls usually every other day, sometimes every day. I feel like some people are getting tired of me because I just keep putting poll after poll after poll, but it helps me out a lot because it lets me know where my town is, where my sneaker community is regarding shoes, like what they're feeling, what they're not. So for this one, it actually got, so 76% of the people said that this shoe was fire. The other 24 said they were trash. Now, like I said, it was probably for one of those reasons that I mentioned before about it not being the high, not being the great quality, or not being worth as much. But this gives people an opportunity to wear a shoe close like the original, like the Air Jordan 1 Bred, for a lot less. Resell on these, they're going for about 200. Like I said, retail was 115, so there really is a decent profit margin on that. I know a lot of ladies like these better because just the high is very uncomfortable for them, so the mid top is actually a perfect size for them. I know even some guys that find that the high tops are just too high and they just bother them on the back. So at the end of the day, guys, it's not about the hype, it's not about just looking the part, it's about looking good. You could definitely look good in these. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. It's a black, red, and white shoe. Come on, like, don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Just enjoy your sneakers. If you find these comfortable, if you find the low tops comfortable, and that's what you could afford, go ahead and cop them, because at the end of the day, you're wearing the shoe, nobody else is wearing the shoe, so their opinion doesn't really matter. Like I said, just for a little bit better leather quality, a Nike sign on the tongue, and this just quarter-inch, whatever the size dimensional upgrade is not really that big of a difference. I actually have a Air Jordan. So right here, I got a size 9 of the black metallic gold Air Jordan 1s, and this is a high OG version, and this is the Air Jordan Mid. You guys can see them side by side. This is a size 9, this is a 9.5, so there is a height, a size difference, but really, like that ankle distance isn't really that big of a difference. Like you guys could see, like, there's just a lot more spacing right here on this part. But other than that, this is a mid, this is a high, side by side. The difference isn't really crazy. So I really don't know why a lot of people in the sneaker community try to discredit these shoes. These shoes might actually be the next shoe that really pops off, that really goes up in resale value. So I'm not looking down on these because there might be a lot of profit to be made with these in the future. I'm not the type to talk down on somebody for wearing whatever they want. If they think that these are dope, so be it. If they want the original, go ahead, but it's gonna be really hard to get your hands on them unless you're gonna spend like a whole mortgage payment on them. So yeah, you guys can see the difference there. The high and mid, it's really not that much of a difference. All right, so here's a look at the box. Air Jordan 1 mid, black/gym red/white, retailing for $115. This is a size 9.5, like I said. And bow, here it is, the Air Jordan 1 mid Bred. You guys let me know what you guys think of this shoe in the comment section below. Here's a closer look at the leather quality. You guys let me know. Doesn't feel rough, smooth leather, a little bit tumbled. Got your red Nike swoosh. Obviously you guys know what the Bred colorway is. Look at that nice Air Jordan Wings logo embossed there. Great touches. The tongue, like I said earlier, Jumpman on the tongue, no Nike. That's one of the differences between a Hi OG version, has the Nike Air. So you guys tell me, this is a size 9. This is a size 9, this is a 9.5. And like the height difference of the shoe is very minimal from being called a high top. So this is one of the main reasons that people stay away from this shoe, because of the height difference. That's what they try to blame it on. They say it's not the Hi OG, it looks weird. Like, I'm probably missing something, but I really don't see the height difference being crazy. You guys let me know, man, what am I missing? Other than the fact that, of course, it's not the same cut, it's not the same materials as the OGs. I understand that. But to put people down for wearing this shoe makes no sense, literally no sense at all. I also have the low top version of the Bred. This is also a dope shoe. And like I said, they might go up in value. I'm holding on to a couple pair of these just because these might go up. But like a lot of females I know dig this shoe. A lot of them like it better than the Hi OG, and you know, it's not, you can't expect everybody to be a sneakerhead and to have the same morals and stuff. Like, some people are very religious about this stuff and they go crazy if you have an Air Jordan 1 mid. So you guys let me know in the comment section down below. All right guys, so my final thoughts on this Air Jordan 1 Bred mid, I'm gonna give these a 9, simply because the fact, Bred, obviously black and red, that nice colorway looks good on every shoe, mid top, high top, low top. These low tops, a lot of people are sleeping on them, but you never know, man. The sneaker game, anything could happen. Some famous people could start rocking these and they're just gonna skyrocket. They look way better on feet. Here's a side by side on the low and mid, so you guys could see that there actually is a difference between these two in height than there was with the Hi OG and the mid. So I just wanted to make this video to discuss, to see how you guys are feeling about these. Are these getting more and more accepted in the sneaker community? I think they are. I think they're gonna raise in price a lot because it really is a dope shoe. It looks dope. It looks like the Hi. It has a lot of good things going for it. Like I said, on this reverse Bred, we got a lot nicer leather quality. The Air Jordan is nicely embossed there. So If you guys made it this far into the video, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please press that like button, that subscribe button, and also turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. I'll see you guys in the next one. You know the vibes.